Grab it. I got the other leg.
We're gonna get more charges.
Don't you? God.
Come in. I need all your people out. I need them out. I need them out. Come on. You're all right. Come on.
Anybody else back here?
No, there's no back here. Yeah, she's back here. If there's anything left,
Those heels, the heels, the boots, the heels.
The heels, right there. Those heels. Alright, out. Everybody else out. Who's in there? I have no idea, but someone went in there.
Wait, bro. I think that's when they went in there.
Yes,
She went in there.
no, I know, but there's somebody that went in
Somebody
there.
else with her.
Everyone else is gone. It's just you guys left.
Okay.
It's Mark. She's going in. Tell her go home.
Joseline, the car's ready, come on.
All right.
Joseline.
Tell her go home now.
Hey, my man, you gotta go. I'm wait outside. Wait outside, all right?
I don't want no white man.
No one's gonna touch you.
Shut up, you shut up, bitch.
Why?
Bro, just wait outside. Bro, just
Mother-
wait outside. Wait outside. Wait outside.
That's where she's going. That's his going. She's on the road. She's going.
Now she's going. Now she's going. Now you're going.
Put your hands behind your back.
I got her legs. I got her legs.
Man! I got
Relax, relax.
You gay. You gay. If you kill me, you all gonna die.
Nobody wants to hurt you.
If you kill me, Cracker, you're going down
Nobody
first.
wants to hurt you.
Cracker,
I'm not a
Cracker,
cracker.
you're going down first.
not a
Cracker,
cracker.
you're going down first, Cracker.
Alright.
Oh my mother.
Get her up. Get her up.
Solito, te voy a morir. Solito. Solito, ustedes se van a morir. Solito se van a morir. Solito, y tú le vas a ser el primero. Tú, cabrón.
Let's go.
Hey, let's go. I'm not gonna play with you. Come on. Garage.
Let go of me. Let go of me, flat. All that stuff. See, I'm going down first. All the black is coming down first. All that goes down. This way. You've been thinking you're right. And your cracker boys tell you what to do. Your cracker boys tell you what to do. Your cracker boys tell you what to do. Guy, look at you, guy. Two blankets, legs, cracker white boys tell y'all what to do. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Anybody with a weapon, please respond to the line.
You killed me. You say all this all crazy. They enslaved your mother. They enslaved your mother.
Grab her leg. Grab it. I got the other leg.
We're gonna get more charges.
Don't you God. Now, let go.
Stop, please. Stop.
I'm ready.
Stop. Stop. Hey!
Let go.
Stop. Cut it out.
Hey! Let go of me right now. Hey! You look at me. Yes, you let go of me. You tell them to let go of me right now. Yes!
Then walk like a person.
Hey! Stop kicking. Stop kicking. Look at me. Look at me. I gave you the chance. No.
Hey.
Hey.
Go. That's it. Grab a leg. Grab a leg.
Hey.
Grab a leg.
Grab my leg. You going down first. Let go. They say y'all twinning, baby. They say y'all twinning.
Hey. Go. Just get up and go.
Let
I
go.
got it. Don't worry about it. Go. Go.
Let go of me. They say you shoot your mama. They say you shoot your mama.
Watch out.
1 second. Turn on that.
Let go of me. Right now.
I am here now.
Hey. Hey. All right. Y'all gonna get it out. All right. All right. Don't worry.
Just take
Y'all
it.
think
Yeah.
you can slide it. Now, all right.
Come on,
Y'all going to jail. Y'all going to be, you won't have a job tomorrow. You won't have a job tomorrow. That's how they mother. Shut up, cracker. Shut up, white cracker. Shut up. Shut up, white cracker. You won't have a job tomorrow, you racist. You won't either. Tell your black mama I said it, motherfucker. Tell your black mama I said it. You. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you treat me like that in front of this cracker? How dare you? You gonna let them crackers kill me, you stupid motherfucker? You gonna let them crackers kill me, you stupid? You gonna let them crackers kill me? You gonna let them crackers kill me? You gonna let them crackers kill me, you stupid? Watch what happens to y'all. Watch what happens to you. You gonna remember what I said. You will remember what I said. You gonna remember what. Hey, tell them crackers don't touch me. Tell them don't touch me, or they gonna have to kill me. Tell them do not touch me. Tell them crackers do not touch me. Tell them crackers not to touch me. Tell them crackers don't touch me. Tell them crackers do not touch me. I will make it so difficult for you. Even worse than motherfucker Troy. I'm gonna make y'all lose your job. Them crackers. Hey, don't touch me. No, I'm touching myself. Hey, tell them to touch me.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Don't touch me. Cracker. Don't touch me, cracker. Dirty cracker. Don't you touch me, cracker. Don't you touch me, cracker. Don't you touch me. Dirty ass cracker. Don't you touch me. Dirty ass cracker.
You're professional, boys. You got it.